Hey, it's Linda, and today we're going to be checking out the 2nd Gen Ring Video Doorbell. It gives you real-time notifications, clear video day and night, and it allows you to customize motion and privacy zones. I'm going to head over to the lab to take a closer look at what it offers. So when you have this connected to your device, it gives you real-time notifications, which means you'll never miss a visitor or a delivery because you can be anywhere, and as long as this is connected, it will let you know when it senses motion or if someone actually rings the doorbell. I'm going to show you how quickly the notifications come through. Look how quickly the notification came through. This is real time. And what's really good is that you can speak to them as well. So if it's a visitor, you can tell them you're not in, or if it is a delivery, you can suggest somewhere safe for them to keep your parcel. It records in full HD, so it's able to capture all the important details and make sure that you see everything clearly. And it records with night vision too, so you see just as clearly when it's dark as well. If you're getting notified about every little movement, it actually allows you to choose up to 3 motion zones for the camera to focus on, so you only get notified about the things that you care about. To find out more about the 2nd Gen Ring Video Doorbell, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.